Okay, the third law of exponent that I'm going to discuss is when raising a power to a power, keep the base and multiply the exponents, like this one. So if I have 3 raised to 2 raised to 3, again, power to a power, then we have to multiply the exponents. We have 2 times 3. I'm going to use this as a multiplication. That is, this is my 2.3. That is 2.3. When I'm thinking multiplication, 2 times 3, it should be in the middle. Then it is 3 raised to 6. Okay, why? Then we have, if we're going to follow that a raised to 3 is the same as a times a times a, then we will say here 3 raised to 2, that is our first base, multiplied by 3 raised to 2, multiplied by 3 raised to 2. Then we have, this is what we have in the first law. We have 3a raised to x multiplied by a raised to y is the same as a raised to x times a plus y. That is what we're going to do here now. So we have 3 raised to 2 plus 2 plus 2. And we have 3 raised to 6. Another way to express that is we have 3 raised to 2, this one, just this one, is the same as 3 multiplied by 3. And the other, we have 3 multiplied by 3 once again. And the third, this one, the second and the third, we have 3 multiplied by 3. Then we have 3 raised to 6. So it's the same. That's the explanation. So if you have, for example, a raised to x, raised to 2, raised to 5, then you have a raised to 2 times 5. Then we have a raised to 10. If you can complicate that, then we have a raised to 3x raised to 2. Then we have a raised to 3x multiplied by 2. Then we have a raised to 6x. So you can complicate things, but the easiest way is to understand the basic. The basic is this one that I explained. The next law is the power of a product is the product of the powers. So this one and this one. Let's have example for that before we explain or prove that they are equal. So if I have a times b, ab raised to 3, it should be a raised to 3, b raised to 3. That is, this law says to us. So for example, if we try 2 multiplied by x raised to 3, then it should be 2 raised to 3 multiplied by x raised to 3, or 8x raised to 3. I will explain now how we can get this product. For example, remember once again, if we have a raised to 3 is the same as a multiplied by a multiplied by a. So if we say that this one is your a, then we have 2x multiplied by 2x multiplied by 2x. And then we have 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8, or 2 raised to 3, as you can see there. And then we have x times x times x, that is x raised to 3. If we're going to use A raised to F multiplied by B raised to 5, for example, then you should understand that it should be A raised to 5 times B raised to 5. Why? Because we have AB multiplied by AB multiplied by AB multiplied by AB, and then one more time AB multiplied by AB. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A's. We have A raised to 5 and then B raised to 5. In my next video, I will be discussing the power of a quotient is the quotient of the powers. See you then.